Have you ever wondered how visualization can improve your study skills? Visualization, a powerful mental tool, can elevate the way you study and learn. Today, we are diving into the process of using visualization in studying, breaking it down into clear, easy-to-follow steps. First, it's essential to understand what visualization means in the context of studying. It's not about daydreaming or letting your mind wander. Instead, it's a focused mental exercise where you create vivid images in your mind to represent information. It's like creating a mental movie or picture book to help you remember facts, concepts, and details. Step 1. Gather the material you want to learn. It could be a chapter from a history book, a scientific concept, or a mathematical formula. Read through it carefully, making sure you understand the content. Step 2. Break down the information into manageable pieces. This could mean separating a chapter into sections or a concept into its basic components. Doing this allows your mind to focus on one thing at a time, making the visualization process more effective. Step 3. Start creating mental images for each piece of information. If you're studying history, imagine the events happening. See the characters, the landscapes, the actions. If it's a scientific concept, imagine it in action. See the atoms moving, the forces interacting. The more detailed your mental images, the better you'll remember the information. Step 4. Link the images together. This is where you create your mental movie or picture book. The images should flow from one to the next, creating a narrative that's easy to follow. Step 5. Review your mental images regularly. Just like any other study technique, repetition is key. The more you review your images, the stronger they'll become, and the easier it will be to recall the information. Now, you might be wondering, why does visualization work? It works because our brains are naturally good at remembering images. Think about it. You're more likely to remember a person's face than their name, right? That's because your brain processes and stores images more efficiently than text or spoken words. In conclusion, visualization is a powerful study tool that can help you learn and remember information more effectively. It involves creating vivid mental images of the information you're studying, breaking it down into manageable pieces, linking the images together, and reviewing them regularly. By using visualization, you're not just reading or hearing the information, you're experiencing it in your mind, making it more memorable and easier to recall. So the next time you're studying, give visualization a try. It might just revolutionize your learning process.